Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Today we are starting a new chapter called binary numbers, and in this class we will learn about bits. Before I start, do not forget to like this video and follow our channel if you are watching it on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. You simply need to click subscribe button. Let's begin. Computers store information using bits. In other words, you measure the storage in bits. Anything that you measure has a unit. For example, when you measure your weight, you measure in grams, and there are more units similar to grams. But at the lowest level, it's ounce, gram, are some units in which you measure liquid, weight, and etc. Now for the memory in computer, it's bits. Now think of a bit as a value which is either 0 or 1. And we have learned in the previous class that the number system which is 0 and 1 is referred as binary number. Now bits can have only two values, and it can have only one value at any point of time. Either it is 0 or it is 1. When it is 1, we consider it as value being set or on. In the other case, when it is 0, the value is off or value is not set. A computer operates by turning on millions of tiny switches, also called transistors. These transistors can either be on and off. And using this combination, a series of transistors sort of create a value. Think of this as an example I had already given in one of the class, in which I talked about, two islands on which you and your friends are present, and the only thing you have in your hand is a flashlight. So the flashlight, using the flashlight, you can talk to your friend, you can communicate with your friends, and think that there are many sharks in the water, you can't really swim, and in the night all you can do is to give a signal using your flashlight, and your friend can give your, consider this as your friend here, and this is you, and you can use flashlight and say off for 1 second, for another second off, and then I'm using this to say on, off, on, and on. Think of this as, letter A. And similarly, you want to say another letter, another set of bits, or on and off. It looks very complex because for each letter, if you have to do like a series of on and off, then it's very hard to, mention something like I am hungry. But if this is the only choice, and if you are really good at on and off, and your friend can interpret it that fast, then you will be able to communicate. But the fact is, computers communicate like this. All these transistors, the millions of transistors, either go on and off and send and interpret, process the data. That's all in this class. In the next class, I will be covering more of data storage. We will talk more about bytes in the next class, which is nothing but a group of bits. So stay tuned. If you have any questions on this concept, then you can post it in the community on our platform, my.codemode.us, and either I or someone else would be happy to answer. Please take time to solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning.